Climbing the Ordinal Ladder, Mastering, 18th. 18th. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to continue our journey through the world of ordinal numbers. Today's star is the ordinal number, 18th, which represents the number 18 in an ordered sequence. Let's dive in and get started. When we say 18th, we mean the object or person that comes after the 17th and before the 19th in a sequence. For example, if you were in a queue and you were the 18th person, you would have 17 people in front of you and everyone else would be behind you. The spelling of 18th might seem a little tricky at first, but remember, it's just the word 8, combined with the suffix -enth. The pronunciation is straightforward. It's pronounced just like it's spelled, 18th. The best way to learn and remember new vocabulary is by using it in sentences. Here are a few examples. 1. Today is my 18th birthday. 2. She finished 18th in the marathon. 3. The 18th century was a time of great change. Practice makes perfect, so try using 18th in your own sentences as well. It's easy to get confused with 18th and 8th. Remember, 18th refers to the position following 17 items, not 7. Always double-check your work to ensure you're using the right ordinal number. We hope that this video helped you understand the ordinal number, 18th. Keep practicing, and soon you'll master all the ordinal numbers. Don't forget, learning is a continuous process, and every step forward is an achievement. See you in our next video where we will explore the next number on our list, the 19th. Happy learning!